Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. We are driving along 3rd Avenue, a street with a rich history and close ties to the city's growth over the past 2 centuries. 3rd Avenue runs through the heart of the historic downtown area, connecting commercial, cultural, and residential sections of the city. Many of the buildings along the avenue were constructed in the late 1800s and early 1900s, featuring classic brick and stone architecture typical of Nashville's early industrial and business districts. In its early days, the area was home to warehouses, small factories, and retail shops, all taking advantage of proximity to the Cumberland River and nearby rail lines for transporting goods.
Thank you very much.
In the late 20th century, preservation efforts helped restore historic facades and revitalize the area, blending old architecture with new restaurants, offices, and entertainment spaces. Today, 3rd Avenue offers a mix of history and modern life, where viewers can see the evolution of Nashville's downtown from a working riverfront district to a lively urban neighborhood filled with shops, galleries, and cultural landmarks. Driving here highlights the layers of history visible in the streets, the architecture, and the neighborhoods, showing how the past and present coexist in the city's core. Nashville itself was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River. Named after Revolutionary War General Francis Nash, the settlement quickly grew because of its strategic river location and fertile surrounding land. By the early 1800s, Nashville had become an important center for commerce, education, and government in the region. In the 20th century, Nashville gained worldwide recognition as the center of country music, especially after the launch of the Grand Ole Opry in 1925. Radio broadcasts carried Nashville's music across the nation, helping shape American popular culture. Over the decades, the city expanded beyond music into healthcare, education, technology, and tourism, becoming one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Today, Nashville is known for its vibrant downtown, historic neighborhoods, and creative energy. Thanks for watching!